We have created the world's first limitless omnidirectional 3D printer, and by combining several different technologies never used together before, we have created Open House. It is the first multiple function 3D printer to feature a frameless design using omnidirectional wheels. It has a fully functional robotic arm attached to a telescopic lift, which brings the tool to the designated position. Built in a Lego-like fashion, Open House can easily interchange tools and can perform more tasks than just 3D printing alone. Our goal is to develop a universal automated tool. Would you like to build the next great pyramids? The next great wall? With accessible ramps? Or how about an entire city built from scratch and overnight? This technology wouldn't just be great for building cities. It would also mean that giving humanitarian aid for natural and man-made disasters would be a breeze, since we could rebuild homes and infrastructure way quicker than currently possible today. Doing things like building roads, relocating an entire community or city would be possible in weeks instead of years. Imagine if one robot could build a house in 10 days. 2 robots would be able to build 2 houses in 10 days. What would happen if we replicate these robots thousands and thousands and thousands of times? Take them all into an empty spot and just let them rip. Many people go their entire lifetime unable to afford a home to live in. Fair housing is expensive, generally overburdening, or flat out inaccessible to a majority of people. In America, the average price to build a 2,000 square foot home is nearly $300,000, while the average salary is only $52,000. None of this even includes interests, taxes, maintenance, or any other fees, so most Americans will spend their entire life trying to pay off their mortgage. And globally, 1.6 billion people lack adequate housing or have no place to stay because
the rent is too damn high.
But 3D printing can change this. Open House can change this. We can change this. Petrichor's goal is to ensure that owning a home is a right and not a burden, to raise the standard of living and level the playing field for every member of society. What if there was a quick, cheap, and efficient way to build structures with all the modern amenities and without the enormous expense? Enter Open House, the first limitless omnidirectional 3D printer, driven with artificial intelligence and powered by Google Tango, capable of building large objects such as houses and buildings. Open House runs on the Robot Operating System, or ROS, which is a set of libraries and tools that are powering the world's robots, and at the same time, becoming the standard in automation software. This is paired with Google's Project Tango, a visual positioning device that uses sensors designed for virtual and augmented reality, all packed into a simple phone. Its sensors give over 250,000 3D measurements every second, updating the position and rotation of the phone. This information is infused into a single 3D model of the environment being scanned, making it the perfect solution for the eyes of our printer and also a sound investment for any developer or user because, hey, everyone needs a phone, right? Open House is completely flexible and adaptable, able to change tools on the fly in order to tackle whatever task it needs to. Imagine a Lego-like robot capable of printing concrete walls 1 minute, build an intricate sculpture the next, and then come back to the wall that it just built to decorate with some paint. So by the time the machine leaves the print area, it has left behind a finished product ready to move in. Conservative estimates show that 50 to 70% of home construction is labor. That makes this industry completely ripe for robotics and 3D printing to transform. Not only could the labor in construction be 100% cut out, but the cost of materials could also be lowered. Since humans will no longer need to handle building materials, the streamline of material manufacturing to fit robotic use in economies of scale will be the end result. Take a moment and visualize everything that is possible with this technology. It could even build your own ice castle in the Antarctic printed from water. The possibilities are endless. With your help, we can make this a reality. With robots. We are asking for your help, whether you're a developer or contributor, to help us turn Open House into a reality by supporting us through our campaign at Kickstarter.com.